I've been full-timing for 6 months in my RV, and people have been asking me, how is it? Well,
Feeling in my bones.
this is
I can feel
Hospital
it in my
Rock.
veins.
I just saw another car go out onto the salt flats, and
Hands in the sky.
I got in. Okay, so our next destination is right up there. Woohoo! Alright, I'm back at the El Morro National Monument. Well, I think I'm pretty, effed. So yeah, that drone stayed up in that tree for 3 days and went through rainstorm, thunderstorm, windstorm. But thanks to the Del Norte Fire Department, got their big old truck, went up the 35 feet in the air that drone was stuck in. Worse, I wasn't even there when it happened, just showed back up when I was gone, and the thing was just sitting on my table. Major props to the Del Norte Fire Department for coming out and rescuing the drone in a tree. So this is my 6-month recap video. I have hit 32 different locations in 10 states. And starting from Los Angeles, I worked my way up through the Central California coast up to Sacramento, bolted east to Reno, Nevada, Salt Lake City, and then south to Provo, Utah, all the way down to St. George, cut through to Las Vegas, through Arizona, New Mexico, up through Colorado. I am in Rock Springs, Wyoming right now for a big escapade event that's put on by the Escapees RV group. People have asked me what's my most favorite activity, what's the worst thing that's happened. I think the best thing that's happened since traveling, being able to meet up with old friends that have moved across the country and being able to connect with new people. When I was in Delta, Utah, it was a very tiny town, and there was one bar in there, and I became a regular in the week that I was there. My last day, one of the regulars gave me this lasso rope. He showed me how to lasso a trash can out in the middle of the street. That was pretty awesome. Just a little bit ago, I was up in Black Hawk, Colorado, and I met up with another YouTuber named Mike Grimm, and we worked on a collaboration where we toured the Las Vegas of Colorado. And of course, the Escapers and the Convergences and all the other RV rallies that I've attended. It's just been an amazing experience. You know, there's the memorable experiences are the ones where I F something up. It's just like when I broke my tow bar, I just made bad decisions that ended up causing damage to the rig. And learning experience as well, when I had that water leak in the RV that just lasted forever, could never figure it out. People ask me, does it get lonely on the road? And there have been times where it is. I remember when I left Reno, Nevada, I was surrounded every day with activities and friends, and then I started heading east into the Nowheresvilles where I've never been and don't know anybody, and you go from this extreme high, all of a sudden you get there and you're like alone, and there's nothing to do and no one to see. People ask me why I do YouTube, and is it like an RV channel or is it a travel channel? I think you can't have one without the other. You're traveling by RV, and so you're able to hit up all these different towns, all these small little places. You're gonna have RV problems, you're gonna have travel problems, you're gonna see things that are just absolutely amazing, and you're gonna be able to do it all in the comfort of your home. So I guess final thoughts on the first 6 months of full-time RVing. It really is an exciting adventure. You're going to feel this freedom that everybody talks about, but unless you really experience it, you may not ever know what it means when people say the freedom to do whatever you want. If you're looking at wanting to travel full-time or even part-time, don't let anything stop you. People say, oh, if I only had money for an RV, if I only could get something big, just start. Maybe you don't have the big rig. You can do mini trips, you can be weekend warriors, you can get started now. And that right there is what Claim the Vision is all about, not waiting for somebody else's permission to do something that is burning in your heart and your desire that you want to go and get started today. Start claiming your vision right now. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe by clicking the center button right there on my face, and check out this video playlist over here. It covers all my videos from day one when I first picked up my RV, and then check out this video over here that's made just for you. Thanks so much for watching Claim the Vision.